Assalamualaikum friend, this is HUZAIFA TARIQ from Blackstone Tutorials. In this tutorial I will teach you how to make 3D circle like this one. So don't waste your time, so let's begin.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. I see the world through eyes covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs. I love.
Friends, subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my videos. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more informative videos about graphic design. Thanks for watching.